Ladies and gentlemen, let's add an inventory to Zoho Books. Ladies and gentlemen, adding an inventory to Zoho Books is quite simple. What we want to do on the top left-hand side, you want to go to items, open that up and click on items. Here you will see all your current items, but what we want to do is add an entire inventory. Now there's of course a number of ways you can do this. You can go and click on create new item, and you can go and add all of these items individually, but of course that will be quite time consuming. Let's say that you've put this all in a CSV file. I'm going to use Microsoft Excel. You can see that this is what it looks like. So you'll have your SKU, description, your bin number, location, unit, quantity. You know how it goes. All right. So you're going to create this as a CSV file. You're going to go to File, Export, and export it as a CSV file. And you're going to come back in here. Now, on the top right, you'll see 3 dots. It says More Actions. Come down here and say Import Items. Now, once you've done this, it'll ask you to choose a file. You're going to go ahead and click on Choose a File. Now, there are some other options you can attach from your desktop, from a cloud service, or from your documents. You can also see over here, it says you can download a sample file and compare it to your import file to make sure that it is perfect for the import. Now, if you go ahead and choose a file that is incorrect, it'll give you an error. So let me show you what that error looks like. So I've uploaded this over here, and you come down and you say next, and it'll say file contains empty strings as column header in the last column. Okay, so this is now the error that you'll find. So go ahead and make sure that you download the sample file and make sure that yours looks exactly the same. If you go down now and you click on next, it will take you through to the next field. And this over here is where you're going to map all your fields. Now, if this is correct, it will automatically import all of your fields. So you can see over here that these are the Zoho Books fields, okay? And over here on the right hand side, these are all the fields that you will have in your CSV file. Now, of course, you can change them if you'd like to. You can go ahead, use the drop down menu and just search for what exactly you want in there. Now, these will be fields that will be found on your CSV file. So make sure that if you want to add in a field over here, make sure that you put it in on your CSV file. Okay, so now once this is all correct and you're happy with it, you can just go ahead and say save these selections for use during future imports. And this is great because this means you get to do it once and it'll reoccur. You don't have to go and check that ever again. You can just use this, if it's correct, as a template. Okay, now you can see that there's a preview, the items that have already been imported. There are 5 items here. There have been 3 record skips. These are maybe duplicates. And then unmapped fields, there are 14 over here, and that's fine for now. Just make sure that you are mapping everything correctly. Let's go ahead and say import. Now, once you say import, it'll give you a little message up at the top. It'll say it's been imported. Here, you can see we've got all of our items imported. And this is how you build an inventory. You're going to go ahead and continue to add to this list or create a new list, and you can add to your inventory just like this.